How to send CV on WhatsApp. So let's get started. If you want to send CV on WhatsApp, then here is a quick and professional way. First of all, go to the canva.com and make a Canva account. Once there, you can get to see various templates available of these CVs. Choose one and edit one. So here you can see I have one of my template ready to send. Simply tap on it and you will be navigated to the next page where you can customize it. So I just want to send the first CV, so I'm deleting the second one. So now my CV is all ready to be sent on WhatsApp. Now what should I do? All you have to do is tap on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the download option available there and download it to your device. Make sure you choose the PDF standard version available there. Then download it and wait for a few moments for your download to be completed. Then check it once if it has been downloaded or not, or you can also re-download it and save it to your device wherever you want to save it. Now all you have to do is go to the WhatsApp and go to the chats or conversation you want to send this CV to. So now once there, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left. Then all you have to do is tap on the document option available after that. You can attach the document in the WhatsApp and send it. Now once you tap on the document, choose where you have saved your previous CV file to. I have saved it on my desktop, so here you can see. Now tap on the open option available there and open it in WhatsApp. Then you will get to see send icon available and send it to the person or the group. And once sent, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.